This is the thing. I just arrived in the spot, but I cannot go in the middle because the pampo that I'm going to use for fishing has to take up to the town proper. So I have to wait for them to come back before I start fishing, and it's already almost 6 o'clock. I just hope there are mamalis here so my trip would be worthwhile. Right now, if this is the last message, and somebody can find, if somebody can find this camera and find this film, corny, hindi ako mamamatay. Since I'm already stranded in this mini island, I just look for a way to go into, find mini spots just like this for fishing. Maybe I can catch something while waiting for the boat to come back. This is Ariel. The pump boat that took me here went back to pick up 3 others who were stranded somewhere in the beach, and then they have to bring them back to town. I just opted to be left behind so I can scout the place. It's getting dark. I hope the tide won't rise too fast so I won't drown here. It's getting very dark, but I hope I can find a few places to fish. Everything's shallow around me. Too shallow to fish. Together with me is Nong Armando and his son Ariel. We're stranded in this raft because we're waiting for the boat to come back. And when the pump boat will come back, we'll start fishing for thread fins. We'll just wait and hopefully there will be some thread fin boils that we can chase tonight. But for now, this is us stranded here. Nung kaning mga pictures sa video, i-tag ko lang kayo sa Facebook, ha? Oo. Ha? May Facebook ba kayo?
Wala ko Facebook yan.
Wala ba?
Wala.
Friendster?
Meron.
Friendster meron? Alright. Email?
Meron man.
Okay. Meron, di ba? May Friendster tsaka email si Manong. I doubt. So cheers. Si Nong Armando and I, he's drinking his Tanduay. I'm drinking my Gold Eagle beer, the only available beer in the barrio.
I'm very happy.
Wow. Imagine the middle of the delta, 30 minutes out in the river mouth with a rising tide. So for tonight, we hope that tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. Boatman came in very late, so I think I had too much to drink waiting for them because we brought drinks and can't cast anything. I can't even cast a stone, let alone a rod with a lure.